Na kapag hindi niya mabigyan ng hanap buhay, nagdroga yan, patayin na lang. So what kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
Right thinking.
That's yours. Sa ano niyo yun?
What can you think of? It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you. Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Dahil hindi po ako nasatisfy doon sa sagot ni Mr. Duterte, kaugnay doon sa, kasi gusto nating maturuan yung ating taong bayan, ano, about doon sa, laging inaargumento na lang, self-defense, or whatever, no, o yung pag-encourage ng mga criminals to fight. So, pwede bang matanong si
Ma'am,
Attorney
I am
Neri?
not here to satisfy you.